friends, welcome back to the channel Alan's Venture. Hope you all are doing great. So today we have reached at Ajmeri Gate near the New Delhi railway station. It's a very bustling area, and where here we are going to explore this huge monument and the 14th gate of 17th century, which used to be the part of Shahjahanabad at the time of Shah Jahan. Ajmeri Gate in Delhi holds a significant historical importance as part of the walled city of Shahjahanabad, built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the mid 17th century. Here's the story behind its origin and relevance. History behind Ajmeri Gate, and the first one is strategic purpose. Ajmeri Gate was constructed as part of the fortified city to control entry and exit point and protect Shahjahanabad from external threats. The gate especially faced west towards Ajmer, a crucial Mughal-era trade and pilgrimage center, which is why it was named Ajmeri Gate. Second, architectural and defensive role. The gate was designed not just for aesthetics but for fortification. Its robust stone walls and arched entryways symbolized Mughal engineering and provided a checkpoint for monitoring travelers and traders entering the city. Third, historical significance. Trade routes connection. Ajmeri Gate connected the city to western India, fostering trade and cultural exchange during the Mughal era. A revolt of 1857. During India's first war of independence, Ajmeri Gate became a battlefield. British forces used this entry point to capture Delhi, leaving behind scars of the conflict that remain etched in its history. Modern era transformation. With the advent of colonial rule and the development of modern Delhi, Ajmeri Gate's surrounding areas evolved into bustling marketplace and transportation hub, particularly after the establishment of New Delhi railway station nearby. Fifth, preservation and legacy. Today, Ajmeri Gate stands as a historical monument protected by conservation efforts. It serves as a testament to the rich Mughal heritage and the resilience of Delhi through centuries of change. Ajmeri Gate is more than just an architectural structure. It is a witness to Delhi's transformations over the centuries, making it a fascinating site for history enthusiasts and travelers.